Hello everyone! We're here at the last session ng SOSA Season 11 here at COP Bataan. At ngayon, tinanong natin sila kung ano yung mga naging top learnings nila.
Since Filipino are heavy internet user po, important po na yung business po natin, i-catch up po yung business natin kung gaano po kabilis nag-transform yung internet. Kasi
Sa lahat po ng mga pagkakataon, hindi po yung madali lahat ng mga pagsubok. Like, magsisimula po talaga from the bottom, paakyat po. Ganun.
Hindi lang dapat brand yung binibuild, dapat alam mo din i-build sa may social media and then yung continuous presence niya.
Kung use po ng internet para po sa advertisement and yung opportunity na gamitin mo kung anong meron ngayon, yung trend, para mas mag-expand yung business ko.
Tumatak po sa akin is yung aalamin mo kung ano yung problema, tapos susolusyonan mo. So yun, may project ka, yun yung magiging business mo.
In order to build our brand po, you have to know who you are, what your core is, your strength and weaknesses, as well as you have to know who you're not so that you'll know what you're building and you'll know how to communicate and brand yourself.
Mag-start na talaga sa digital transformation po.
Kung phases ng financial status, yun sa surviving po, stability, ganyan. Kasi nakikita ko sa sarili ko kung when is the right time para mag-invest sa ganito or saan ko muna ilalagay yung pera ko na less risk.
Whenever you start a business or you have a business, it's really important po na to build your brand so that hindi ka, kasi para ka lang isang halaman na nadadaan-daanan pag hindi ka kilala. But when you build your brand, may position ka talaga.
So, next time, make sure na makakasama na po kayo.